This summer, Best Buy is flipping the script and finally opening their doors to the third-party sellers. Yes, you, me, and us. Although Best Buy originally launched a US marketplace in 2011, it shut it down by 2016 due to weak sales and stiff competition from giants like Amazon. But that wasn't the end. In Canada, Best Buy has quietly been running a successful marketplace for years, and now in 2025, they are bringing a smarter, more diversified version back to US. If you missed Amazon Gold Rush, don't miss this one, because Best Buy just gave you a second chance. So, what is this all about? Best Buy Marketplace is Best Buy's answer to Amazon and Walmart Marketplace. Instead of selling only their own products, they are inviting third-party sellers directly on bestbuy.com and Best Buy app. This means you don't need to be a supplier, you just need the right product and the right strategy. Every few years, a new marketplace opens its doors. Early movers always win. Think of the sellers who joined Amazon in 2012 and Walmart in 2019. Best Buy is next. The interesting part, Best Buy already got 1 billion plus annual website visit, 90% brand trust among US shoppers, and 74% Best Buy customers shop online monthly. So customers already trust the platform. Now it's just about giving them more options. That's where you come in. So how this marketplace works? Well, the backbone of this marketplace is Mirakl, a proven tech partner for marketplaces like Kroger and Macy's. As a seller, you get tools to manage inventory, sync listing, and handle orders in real time. So what are the best product categories to launch with? Not everything will be open from day one, so focus on what Best Buy is known for, such as electronics, computer accessories, smartphone devices, home office essential, health tech, and gaming accessories. If your product overlaps with tech or home living, get ready to roll. Here is our 5-step seller strategy. Let's break down what you should do right now to stay ahead of the wave. So step number 1, visit bestbuy.com. Learn the official onboarding steps and timeline. Step number 2, pick your winning products. Think conversion-friendly, tech-relevant, or home lifestyle categories. Step number 3, optimize your listing. Focus on clear images, keyword-optimized titles, and simple bullet points. Step number 4, plan fulfillment. Use 3PL or in-house, offer fast shipping, returns matter here. Step number 5, build your brand trust early. Design packaging, collect early reviews, launch UGC content for social proof. This launch is just the beginning. Over the next 2 years, expect to see expanded product categories like home, fitness, even pet, sponsor ads and PPC system, seller analytics and coupon tools, loyalty program integration. That means early sellers will grow with the platform, not chase behind it. Every few years, sellers get a rare shot at a new trusted platform, and Best Buy Marketplace is that shot. So if you are thinking about launching your product on Best Buy Marketplace, Ecomclips can help you build, launch, and scale your Best Buy Marketplace listings. From application to optimization, our experts are here to help you break you through. So don't just sell, stand out. And Ecomclips can help you to do that. If you want more marketplace tutorials, tips, and strategies, subscribe to Ecomclips, your growth partner in e-commerce.